In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important building blocks in Java known as primitive data type. In previous video, we learned what are variables, how to declare them, and what are data types. As you are aware that in order to declare a variable, we have to use type. These types are exactly a data type. And data types are of two types. One is primitive data type and other is a reference data type. So here we are covering primitive data types. Primitive data types are simply built-in data types that are already being defined inside Java, and they are used in order to store simple and single values. They are basic types in Java, and they store very simple values like numbers, letters, true or false, and so on. So let us see how a primitive data type are being stored inside a variable. So as I say that variable are exactly containers which are used in order to store some values. So if you are working in a kitchen and you know that I have a container which is storing sugar. So you know that the box is labeled as sugar and the name of the box labeled with a name as sugar, and it holds a value that is sugar inside it. So this variable is holding some value or data inside it, and you can say that in my kitchen my box is kept at right hand side of my almirah. So in a similar way, this variable is stored somewhere inside a memory. So I can say here somewhere as an address of the memory. So what I can say, suppose I declare variable int a equal to 10. So I say, hey, my computer know that the variable name or the box name is or container name is a, and it is storing value equal to 10. That is the value which is going to be stored inside my container is 10, and it is placed somewhere in memory. So that memory location is 400. So it is like this. The name of the variable is a, its store value 10, and it is placed at some location named 400. Similarly, a container named b or variable name b which holds value 20 and stores somewhere at location 500. There are total 8 primitive types in Java. They are built-in type of Java. They are byte, which store 1 byte with default value 0, short with 2 bytes and default value 0, int with 4 bytes and default value 0, long with 8 bytes and default value 0L, float which holds decimal values with 4 bytes and default value 0.0F, double with 8 bytes and default value 0.0D, character with 2 bytes and storing Unicode characters, boolean with 1 bit, storing 0 and 1 or true or false value. So let us summarize what exactly the primitive data types are. They are built-in data types which are very simple, fast and store single values. And one of the most important thing that a single variable can store a simple or single value. So I hope that you understand the concept of primitive data types. In next chapter we will learn what are exactly reference data type. Thank you.